Hey, it's me, Lindsay, the DIY Felt Foodie, and I have a campfire classic for you today. S'mores! You guys, this one is so cute, and so easy, and so fast. We'll be making 2 graham crackers, a piece of chocolate, and a nice melty marshmallow. Your kids are going to love this. We'll be using felt, cardboard, hot glue, and you will need something to cut with, and markers for tracing. Let's get started. So first we'll make the graham crackers. Now these ones I did 3 by 3 inches square, and it actually was a little bit big for tiny human hands. So when you make it, do it a little bit smaller. And also, bonus, today we're gonna have a special helper. My daughter would like to help with this video. Take it away, girl.
Make sure your crackers are the same size and save the other piece for the chocolate bar. See, that cracker was a little too big. Make it 2.5 inches. Make a squiggly shape for our roasty marshmallow. We need 2 marshmallow pieces. Cut it out and trace another one. Make sure they're the same size and make sure to trim off the extra bits. Now my favorite part, the chocolate. Cut 3 small pieces for the top of the chocolate bar. Now we just glue everything together. Make sure to get the glue right to the edges. Glue the little chocolate bits on top. Get some felt and put some glue on the crackers. This is my mom's trick. Just rub out the glue to smooth it out. Cut it out and glue it on the other side. Don't forget to smooth it out. Now it's time to glue the edges. Put the glue on and squish, squish, squish. You can smush it on the table, that helps. Trim around the edges and let's get making the other stuff. You can use a Sharpie to make the cracker lines. favorite part. Just push it down and glue it and smooth it. This one is very thick. Make sure you use lots of glue. Look for any loose spots. Make sure to get some glue on them. Chocolate bar time, my favorite part. Just glue around the edges and stick it on the felt, and same with the other side. Now let's get going. To get all the little edges filled up with glue. Use your fingers to get it in all the little spaces. Maybe you should grab a ruler too if your fingers don't fit, and get around the tiny edges. Cut out the marshmallow and let's glue the chocolate. Go pinch, pinch, pinch. It's ready to play with. We're all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.
See ya!